Okay guys, this is Frosty. I got this from Rick Rak, but I bought it through Law Abiding Biker. I buy a lot of stuff from these guys. They're quick shipping. They're out on the West Coast. They send you some swag. That's their sticker. It's Ryan Erlacher. And he has his own shop. And I've never had a problem with any product that I've gotten from those guys. They're quick shipping. They're an excellent bunch of guys. You might want to check them out. He's got a great YouTube channel. This is a Rick Rak SureKlik. I'm sorry. It's a saddlebag bolts for your saddlebags. A lot of times you have problems with your saddlebags. Not everybody, but some people do. This comes with everything you need to put them on. You got the 4 little clips that fit in there. They slide in. You just slide them down, and then you take these bolts. I think it was $55 for this. These are, oh yeah, they're heavy, and they click. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but that fits down in a little slot. In that little slot in there, these fit in those slots. And as you tighten it, it clicks. It ratchets like a ratcheting system. And it's got the Rick Rak on there. They're heavy duty. You can see, I'll try to spin this one up. I don't know if it'll go all the way down or not, but it doesn't. But I felt it click one time. Once it's on the bike, you'll hear it ratchet down as it goes. But this is the simplest installation in the world. I mean, it really is. I'll probably put these on. I don't know. If I get a chance to do it tomorrow, I will. I'll do an install video on these. You get 4 of these. 2 on each side, obviously. And these are heavy. This knurling is very comfortable. It's like you can grip it, but at the same time, it's not hard on your fingers. You know, a lot of these, you get some of this cheap stuff, and when you get a hold of it, you know, when you grab a hold of this, it's like, holy crap. It's like sharp. But these are not. They're actually very comfortable. And I put all these on here. And this will be a very simple install. Obviously, these just clip down in on the inside on your frame. And then this goes through the saddlebag and tightens into this. And it ratchets down so that you can ratchet it down to where it'll lock. They do have a video of these, and I actually watched the video. I watched the installation, and that's why I ordered it. Because it was a simple installation and nothing to it. They have all kinds of stuff. Rick Rak has a lot of quality made stuff. And the good thing about it, it's all hardware is included and made in the USA. So the brand is Rick Rak SureKlik, because it does click into place. And I bought it through Law Abiding Biker, lawabidingbiker.com. Check his YouTube channel out. It's Ryan Erlacher, Law Abiding Biker. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, guys.